It's Matty P. I am in Mexico on a little surf trip, and I'm just taking a tour outside of Manzanillo towards a spot where I'm gonna hang out. And I heard of a skate park here, and it looked really, really strange. I thought it was a funny looking mini ramp with all these rollers kind of in the middle of it, and I just thought it looked so strange. Now that I've arrived, it's mental. It's like, I don't know how high, 12 foot? It's ridiculous. So when I saw the pictures, I thought that thing behind me was, yeah, very mini, maybe waist high. And it turns out it's like double overhead for me. So I don't know, we're gonna have a look, have a quick roll around. I mean, it is huge. It is actually gigantic. I can't even get close to the top. Yeah. Here we go. So it's massive. The transition looks so weird. There's a pole jam, like 20 foot long, waist high. If you can get the speed and jam up, by all means, go for it. A bunch of rocks. Can you transfer over to the other side? No, it's dirt. But it is so huge. Now, I'm a little worried about all these rocks everywhere, but we'll see. And yeah, this is the roller section. So I don't know if this is built for BMX, or I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. 2 different rollers, different setup. It's probably way scarier and bigger than it looks. Oh look, for normal human beings, you have a flat bar. So, I don't know, I think I'm just gonna start in this small area and see what happens. I actually haven't skated much lately because there's been a lot of snow at home, so I guess I did skate in Jamaica, was my most recent time, but probably about 6 weeks ago, so I'm gonna be a little rusty, but let's give it a roll and see just how it feels. So my first impression is it's hard to even get enough speed to get to the top, but I think I could do a little 50-50 stall. It doesn't look like it's waxed at all on the top. Whoa, it is kind of slippery. And I don't know if these handrails were intended for skating, but they look crazy. So a couple giant rails if you're feeling like zero. Like, what is this thing? Makes no sense. And yeah, the crack in the middle doesn't make it any easier, that's for sure. I don't know. This is so questionable. Maybe this part's easier? I don't know. Either way, it's a lot bigger than it looks. And it is the heat of the day too. See how slippery it is. Pretty slidey. All right, let's try this again. Let's try to nail a 50-50 up top here. Ah! Oh my God. It's terrifying. There's so many lumps and bumps and man. So this doesn't help at all. You feel that so much. I don't know. This is This is just crazy. That feels so weird. A scary 50-50 stall. Definitely never done it on an obstacle like this. Maybe a couple more tricks front side, or I don't know, maybe a tail slide would work. It's very odd getting speed though. Very strange. Okay, a few tricks, if that counts as tricks, without dying on a very high ramp. Felt pretty crazy. I'm gonna try and skate the little rail. I got this brand new board. It really needs some scratches on it. I hate the feeling of riding a virgin board. So I got this board at a shop in Sayulita. It's a Mexican brand called Anti-Fashion. Love the color, it's got the Mexican flag on there. I did bring my old trucks from home. It actually feels pretty solid as a board. I mean, I haven't actually skated it that much, but yeah, it's from Rudo's skate shop. But everything about it seems good. The quality appears to be there. So I don't know. I'm over 200 pounds lately, and I have a thing with breaking boards, as you might know. But let's see how long this one lasts me. See if I can slide this down here like a boss. Whoa. And here's the rail, so yeah, pretty good crack right here, but it looks good. It looks solid. Sticky. Man. I don't think I have any wax. All right, I'm calling that a win. A few tricks. There's no way that rail is grinding without wax. I'm surprised I got the board slide. It was way too much effort for a board slide. That's normally first try. And yeah. Very fun park, very weird park. So it's in Armeria, I don't know how to pronounce Spanish very well, obviously, as you can tell, which is in Colima. So maybe 45 minutes from Manzanillo. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Skate or die, keep it going. I'm gonna maybe look at a couple more parks while I'm around here. I really wish the one in Manzanillo was open. I drove by last night. It's complete, it's by the ocean. It's so pretty, perfect bowl, crazy street course. It was full on done, and I tried to hop over and film a bit, and they got so mad at me, the security guard. I don't know why they're not letting people skate, but she said it's not open for another month. So anyway, definitely look up the Manzanillo skate park. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of this hot Mexican sun here and drink some water. Anyway, bless up, thanks for watching, adios. So I'm about to drive away, had a sip of water, and I see this amazing street gap, little ramp over a little piece of concrete. Reminds me of these California schoolyard stuff. No rail, something that I might actually be able to hop over. So I don't know, I can't leave without trying to ollie this thing. It's perfect, I think. Okay, little crack there, but smooth ground, relatively smooth. Over a gap. I'm making no claims here other than an ollie. But I'm sure if you're good at skateboarding or 20 years younger than me, you can do some magic right there. So I have to try to ollie this. That's it, I'm done for real now. An ollie. I'm putting it on Google Maps for good people to come here. Thanks again, adios.